Hello children, I would like to read you one of our books, Malaysia Day. Let's start. Today is Malaysia Day. It's one of Sarah's favorite days of the year. It's a day for all the people of Bandar Perpaduan to dress up in their colourful traditional clothes and to celebrate together.
Tay Suyan helps underprivileged children in Malaysia to read and write in English. 7 years ago, she was an English teacher under the Teach for Malaysia Fellowship assigned to a secondary school in Hulu Langat, Selangor. It was during this time Tay discovered her students had problems understanding basic English during lessons. Determined to help the students, Tay got together with 3 other Teach for Malaysia teachers and formed an NGO called MYReaders. Their common goal was to help children who face a learning gap to grasp the English language.
The 4 of us who started this, we were all English teachers. We all loved reading, and it kind of stemmed out of us trying to teach the kids in school, trying to teach them English, but they couldn't understand anything. So it was born out of that necessity to teach them how to really acquire the reading skills. So MYReaders started as an after-school project because we saw that a lot of our students in secondary schools from Form 1 up to Form 5, they couldn't really understand basic English words and sentences, even though they have been through schooling for so many years. So it started as an after-school Saturday program where we would pair an older student with the younger student, or even like the volunteers who come in and read.
Since 2015, MYReaders has empowered children through communities by providing free, structured and sustainable English reading programs.
We primarily work with B40 communities because a lot of the grants and the funding specifically wants to reach out to those communities. So we are mostly funded through grants and corporate sponsorships and donations, so that our programs are free for the children so they don't need to pay anything. We do, however, require that they commit. So we make it very strict for the parents and the child to know that, this is an opportunity that requires commitment from you. Yeah.
But Tay says they will also work with anyone who approaches us MYReaders.
Basically, anybody who approaches, we will work with them. We have worked with refugee communities, we have worked with stateless communities, government schools, private schools, home schools, yeah. Basically, anybody who need help, we will support them.
Initially, Tay and her team used books from the United States and United Kingdom to teach, but noticed the contexts were a little tough for the students. This prompted them to create their own literacy toolkit based on the Malaysian context, helping the students build up their foundation in phonics.
Kurongs and baju Melayus, their dhotis, kurtas and saris. They realized that the context was really hard for the kids. So that's how we decided to write our own books. So our books are all based on Malaysian characters and stories.
Operating as an intervention program, MYReaders uses 2 different models, the school model and the community model.
Right now, we run programs through our communities and our schools, where it's still a one-to-one reading program. Right now, in our community program, we have our core one in Kerinci. It started off in PPR Kerinci. We have 40 children every year. So every year, we recruit 40 children. And we just launched a new community program called LitHub X. So LitHub X is inspired by TEDx. So Literacy Hub, we hope that there is a literacy hub in every community that needs it. And what we do is we provide the books, the training, the support, and then we train the people in the local community to run it. And with the recent grant from Magic, we are targeting 200 children until June next year to be able to receive the intervention. Yeah, and as for our schools, unfortunately because of COVID, we were not able to run the in-person session, but we recently started a Google Classroom model where the parents actually are the ones who sit next to the child and monitor their progress, and everything is kind of structured accordingly, like how we would teach. Just started that this year and we've seen tremendous improvement, especially in the children who are really motivated and the parents who are really committed. That's where we see the most growth.
MYReaders has impacted close to 32,000 children, 92 parents, 777 teachers and 780 volunteers since its inception. Moving forward, they said they would love to reach out to more students and communities all over the country. She attributes the success of MYReaders programs to the teachers, volunteers and parents who have been contributing their time and efforts endlessly.
I think the best thing that the students have said, not to us but to the volunteers who have been teaching them, will be thank you teacher, thank you for making the classes so interesting that I can follow through, and now I've grown, I've improved and I can read, I can speak in English. I think to any teacher or volunteer or parent, that is a great achievement that they should celebrate.